Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video we're taking a look at a project that's called Zentra or Zentra Wallet. So today we'll see what Zentra is building, how the technology works and what their roadmap looks like. Okay, disclaimer before you check Zentra that this is for educational purposes only. I'm a financial advisor and also not big research before thinking to invest in any crypto project. Without further ado, let's dive right in. So this is our official website. Right here you can see first thing join pre-sale and we can see their white paper. So we're going to see their pre-sale on the, let's say, launch app for the pre-sale later of the video. But now by scrolling down we can see just few things about their active pre-sale that is happening right now. And you can see on the right side that pre-sale will end in 26 days and 14 hours. So you can see right now the current price of the coin is 0.05, which is really low entry price for, let's say, current price of the coin and of this stage. So on the left side also you can see the listing price is going to be around $0.20, which is really also low thing for the listing price. So you can see voted by static, which is really amazing and huge thing to know for security. We can see this is liquidity lock, which is really good for things, and also you can see there's no KAC, which is again really good thing to see. So now let me explain you in few sentences what is actually Zentra. So Zentra is designed as a privacy-first payment network built to support fast and low-cost digital transactions while keeping user data hidden by default, which is really good thing for security. So you can see, unlike many public blockchains where transactions details are fully visible, Zentra focuses on protecting sensitive information like the sender, receiver, and transaction amount, which is really good thing to know because a lot of people don't want to be seen in the crypto space. And also you can see the project position itself as a network that can be used by both everyday users and advanced users. So you can see combining ease of use with strong security principles, which is a really good thing to see. And privacy is one of the Zentra's main design goals. So you can see the network uses stealth addresses and confidential transactions, which help prevent third parties from easily tracking transactions flow on chain. So you can see beyond that, Zentra also addresses privacy at the network level. It uses encrypted routing and traffic padding, making it harder for outside observers to connect transactions to specific users of or device, similar in concept to anonymity focused network like Tor. So you can see this layered approach aims to protect users not only on the blockchain but also while data moves across the network, which is a really good thing to know to have nowadays. And also one of the main goals of Zentra is to make daily transactions really fast, around 2 to 3 seconds, which is really amazing to see. Let's say it's literally near instant transactions, which is a good thing to see. So transaction fees are designed to remain very low, typically around few cents. Actually it's almost all time 0.01, which is really amazing to see, and they're calculated based on transaction size and network load, not just the amount being sent, which is a good thing to see. So this fees model helps keep cost predictable and avoid situations where sending larger payments suddenly become more expensive, which is not happening in this case right now. So this goal is to make Zentra practical for everyday payments, not just occasional transfers. And like I said, security is another major focus. So Zentra uses bank-grade encryption and a non-constitutional architecture, meaning users remain in control of their assets. So on the consensus side, Zentra combines two mechanisms. First one is the proof of participation, or P of P, which helps achieve fast validation and finality, and you can see SCAC registered proof of work, so it's meaning which strengthens long-term chain security. So this hybrid approach is designed to balance performance, decentralization, and resistance to network attacks, which is a good thing for security for a lot of people, which security should be in the first place for anyone who want to invest their money. And the native token STRA, which you can see right now, has a really good roadmap. And now let's break down their roadmap. So the network includes mechanisms like validators slash and burn, where tokens can be removed from circulation if validators act maliciously. This is designed to support long-term network integrity. And right now we can see the roadmap. So we can see phase 1 of the Q1 of 2026. We can see is focuses on platform launch, wallet beta audits, and community building. We can see Q2 of 2026 or phase 2 also is expands the ecosystem with staking, mobile apps, and exchange access. Also you can see for the phase 3 of 2026 we can see targets broader adoption with cross-chain bridges, merchant tools and DOE governance, which really huge thing to see. And now let me show you when you log in or click launch app what is happening after that. So first thing that you'll see is there's dashboard right here, and you'll be able to see, like I said, available balance, which is right now for me 0. You'll be able to see your income sent from the last 5 things, and you can see asset status is active right now for me, and it will be also active on your account when you're seeing it. Also right here you can see recent activity for this, and you can see on the left side there dashboard. So first thing we have is the send amount. You can see send funds, so you can see you can do it by using username or using address. So you can see by using username you need to, for recipient, to enter recipient username and to enter the amount that you want to send it. Also you can see by using address, so you need to send the recipient to enter his wallet address right here. And also you can do it by QR code right here by clicking there, and also you need to transfer that amount that you want to send. So I didn't mention that Zentra wallet is designed to be mobile first, so this is because their QR code, which is really good thing to see. Also non-custodial, no mandatory KYC, and simple QR code payments, which like we see right now. Also fast signing and easy setup. So right here you can see that Zentra focuses heavily on accessibility, which is really good thing to see right now. Now if you click on the receive section right here, we can see like I said, like we said in the last 5 seconds, the QR code thing. So you can see scan this code or copy the address below the receive funds to receive funds, and you can see you can copy address from this blue button right here, or just anyone who is doing it by the phone, because this is first thing meaning to be in the mobile app, which is a good thing to see. And anyone, if you have your mobile and you have your QR code and you want to someone send you this, you just need to show him your QR code, and he just need to send it, and it's going to be really simple stuff to do. Also here history right here, if you click here you'll be able to see your history. For the limit right now is the 50, 100, or the all-time history of transactions. So you can see, also you can make it received or sent, which is a good thing to see. You can make it in the 2 ways and be able easier to see what you have received or what you have sent. And we have pre-sale section right here, but I'm going to skip this section because we went over their pre-sale on the website. And this is the official Twitter profile, which we can see they just sent over 100 followers, but it's really amazing because it just joined on January of 2026, which is a good thing to see. And you can see for that period they made over 40 posts, which is really amazing, because that is meaning they want to break through social media, want to be active on social media, which is amazing to see. And I believe that is going to pay off really soon, because community is going to start to grow. So because of that, we're going to drop a follow right now, and we can see what are they posting. So they're posting about their live on the pre-sale, so you can be part of that. We can see that this is 2 hours ago. We can see on the January 31st, we can see really cool animations about Zentra, that how it's live. We can see this really cool animations. You can see that post made 50 impressions, which I think made it slow, but if you look that they have just 150 followers, this is really amazing actually thing to see. So because of that, I'm going to drop a like right now, and I recommend to anyone who is interested to check their Twitter profile and social media. And also don't forget to see their other social media, like their official Telegram group. You can join this Telegram group by clicking this green button right here. And I especially highly recommend to check their Telegram, because you can ask other people what think about the about this project, about their active pre-sale that is happening right now, which we can see that just started, and anything else. So that wraps up our review of Zentra. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comment section down below. Stay informed, stay curious, and I'll be seeing you in the next one.